Guys. I have something to tell you guys.
Hindi si Zane yung tangik.
Guys, I have something to tell you. See, guys, when this is Kuya Sian, right?
Babae yun, no?
Yes. Me and Kuya Sian, we are finding the oldest money. We are checking the oldest stuff we found on this closet right here. And then once Kuya Sian get another money, I found this one in 3, 2, 1. See, guys? Yeah, guys. This is Abu Bakar. He's a Muslim Arabic guy since 100 ADs. And if you look at the back, the money is actually $2,000 dirhams. No. It's 2,000 riyals, guys.
Shit.
And of course, if you look at this picture, this building is called Kaaba. Yes, and this is the central bank of what Iran people used back in the day. And of course, this place was took in Middle East, the old Middle East, in the Kaaba. Yes. And this person right here is, I don't know who is this guy, but I can call him Abu Bakar. And guys, I understand this language. This language is saying, in English it said 2,000 riyals. And the central bank of Iran since 1970s 1925. And you can see some Arabic numbers. Yeah. And well, guys, that is all for today, guys. So guys, please make sure to like and subscribe. So see you guys. Bye bye.